Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Honorable members, under Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, 4,900 Jan Aushadhi centers have already been opened in more than 600 districts. More than 700 different medicines are being dispensed at low cost in these centers. Similarly, reduction in the cost of cardiac stents has resulted in an annual saving of about rupees 4600 crore to the poor and middle class. Reduction in cost of knee replacement has led to an annual saving of about rupees 1500 crore. My government has provided the facility of dialysis free of cost to those suffering from kidney diseases. This has resulted in a saving of more than rupees 2000 per session for these people. In addition, for a premium of just 1 rupee a month under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana and 90 paisa a day under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, as many as 21 crore poor brothers and sisters have been provided with insurance coverage and assistance of rupees 2 lakh in the event of an untoward incident is made available to them under both the schemes by disbursing more than rupees 3100 crore under these schemes. Till now, my government has supported the people in their times of difficulty. My government is also striving hard to alleviate the challenge of malnutrition among poor women and children. My government has launched the National Nutrition Mission for persons suffering from malnutrition and to eliminate the factors responsible for malnutrition. Mission Indradhanush has been launched by the government to provide immunization facilities to children and pregnant women living in remote and tribal areas. As a result, the country has moved rapidly towards the target of universal immunization. Be it cities or villages, the government is working at a fast pace to strengthen the healthcare related infrastructure. New medical colleges are being set up by the government, district hospitals are being upgraded, and wellness centers are being established in all major panchayats of the country, from Madurai in Tamil Nadu to Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir, and from Rajkot in Gujarat to Kamrup in Assam. New aims are being established. Government is setting up new Ayurveda science institutes and encouraging yoga for physical and mental well-being. To address the shortage of doctors in rural areas, 31,000 new seats have been added in medical education in the last 4 years. Para honorable members, when my government set a target that by 2022, when the nation celebrates 75th anniversary of its independence, no family would remain homeless. Many wondered how this would be possible. While completing the houses under the earlier scheme, the government has also fast tracked the construction of houses across cities and villages under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in an unprecedented manner. In the last 4.5 years, 1 crore and 30 lakh homes have been constructed under the rural housing schemes of the government, whereas in the 5 years preceding 2014, only 25 lakh houses had been constructed. This five-fold increase in the speed of construction of houses and handing over the house keys to the poor is rapidly transforming the destiny of the poor and the rural landscape. Similarly, buying or building a house in the cities has become easier for the common person. The dream of building one's own home had become difficult for a normal family to achieve due to black money and rising costs. By enacting RERA law, my government has ensured that construction of houses is completed and they are handed over to the buyers as scheduled so that the hard earned money of buyers does not get stuck. After enactment of this law, about 35,000 real estate projects have been registered where lakhs of houses are being constructed and handed over to families para under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The government is also giving interest subsidy of 6.5% to the persons belonging to low income group. According to an estimate, an individual taking a home loan of rupees 20 lakh for 20 years would get a benefit of about rupees 6 lakh by providing electricity connection to every household. My government is illuminating the life of each person. In 2014, there were more than 18,000 villages which had no electricity connection. Today, every village has been electrified under Pradhan Mantri Saubhagya Yojana. 2 crore and 47 lakh homes have been provided electricity connection. Now, India is rapidly moving on the path where every home is electrified and no poor household will be forced to live in darkness. My government is working hard towards realization of the dreams and aspirations of all the sections by decreasing the burden of income tax and keeping rate of inflation under control. Government has created new opportunities for expanding the savings of the middle class. The effort of the government is to increase the income of the hard working middle class and provide for growth. Stop.